Hi all, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to cover the recently released Magic Quadrant from Gartner, for 2024. This year's report brings some exciting development and shifts in the RPA landscape. So let's dive. First of all, I will be sharing you some of the key highlights. UiPath continues its position at the top, marking its sixth consecutive year as a leader. They have consistently demonstrated innovation and strong execution, which keeps them at the forefront. Automation Anywhere also holds its ground as a leader for the sixth year in a row, reflecting their robust platform and strategic vision. Microsoft has climbed to a solid third place among leaders, earning its fourth consecutive recognition in the category. Their focus on AI-driven automation is clearly paying off. SC&C Blue Prism remains strong contender, securing its spot as one of the top 4 leader for the sixth consecutive year, thanks to their comprehensive automation solutions. Now coming to the visionaries and challengers, Pegasystem, APN, Salesforce and ServiceNow have been named as visionaries, pushing the envelope with innovative approaches tailored to specific industries. SAP emerges as a challenger, making notable strides in the RPA space. Talking about the niche players, we also see Samsung, SDS, IBM, Nintex, and Lay identified as niche players, each carving out their own unique space in the market. Now, talking about industry trends, looking ahead, Gartner predicts that by 2025, 90% of RPA vendors will incorporate Gen AI into their automation offerings, which is quite evident. We have already seen that happening. The RPA market continues to expand as organizations seek to boost operational efficiencies with smart tactical automations. That's it for today. The breakdown of Gartner's Magic Quadrant for RPA 2024. So if you're interested in such kind of videos, comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such insights into RPA and automation trends. See you in the next video. Also, one more request. Through the data which I have analyzed, I see that 80% of our viewers are not our subscribers. So please subscribe to the channel. It helps me motivate. Your support helps me to keep continuing this journey and bringing a value-add content for you. So if you definitely feel and enjoy the videos, then please do subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next.